grade also contribute to the society. Average engineer like me. Or, of course, you keep the aim for such another, like great, no doubt. But you have to work so hard. Okay, so can you help people who do not have a teammate? Yeah, very good question. Thank you. So we need to have teams, because the next week we are going to start the project, and you need to have a team building exercises. So tomorrow we are going to have a team building exercise. For that you need a team. So what you should do, you send me a WhatsApp message that you do not have a team. Okay, send me a WhatsApp message. Then I will connect those who do not have a team. I will try to form teams. I will give you, then you talk to yourself and make a team. This is one of the requirement, qualifying criteria to be an engineer. Okay, and I see only about 75, 80 students attending today. So I told you the attendance is must. I don't see any reason why. So the certification is depends upon your attendance and your daily task. So there are many students who are waiting, and I'm going to take the attendance, and my co-host is going to take the attendance, and we are going to monitor. So this is a service we are providing, so you have to have a commitment, right? You have to have a commitment. If you do not have a commitment, you cannot help. Even we are okay with 50 students. Our aim is to provide our service to the students who are really interested to make their career. Okay, this is what I have. Thank you so much. You have any questions? Text me. But today your target is goal setting. Do your homework now, next 2 hours anytime, and find out your goal, and there will be a Google form, and you send the Google form by tomorrow before the webinar. So tomorrow the discussion is going to be, we will explore what kind of goals we have set, and from there we will go. Okay, attendance is must. I'm telling you, if the students from your groups, if you are not attending, so you will not get the certificate. So I want at least 90% attendance. We are okay, even we get 50 students regularly, we will be happy. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions? Someone says Android app development, right? So this is one of the area of service. So it falls under a service category. So you are becoming a service engineer. But where the apps, again, for the Android means it's a smart devices. So the area is going to be smart devices, the app development for smart devices. Now start focusing. What are the smart devices? How do you make an app? What kind of app will be helpful? How do you secure the app? So what are the quality testing criteria? There are many things you have to consider if you want to go for an app developer. Okay, it's very challenging. If someone asked me design in mechanical engineering. Again, be specific. Don't say mechanical engineering. You want to become a design engineer where? In automotive? Or you want to become a design engineer in aerospace? Or you want to become a design engineer for portable devices? Where? Specific. You have to be very specific. Otherwise, you will be very flat and you don't have the competency. Okay. So, for example, you go to a interview for Nokia or Samsung or any local manufacturer, and if you know that is your career, now you are getting prepared, and you will be the best in the interview because you already prepared. If you are not prepared, you just go and say, okay, whatever comes, I take it. You drop. You can't build your career. That's how people who lose jobs during the transition is the people who do not have a career ambition. Okay. Someone is asking me production engineering. Yes, production is nothing but the manufacturing. I was a production engineer. My MTech in tooling is called production engineering. So there are a lot of opportunities for production engineering. So I work in a shop floor to manufacture cars. I can work in a shop floor for DRDO to make missiles. I can work as a production engineer for Amazon. I can work for Flipkart as a production engineer. I can work production engineer for airport. I can work production engineer for a catering service. Production. I can work in a pharmaceutical company as a production engineering to make the drugs. But what makes you interesting? That's important. Whether you want to make agriculture production engineer, or you want to make pharmaceutical production engineer, you have to be clear. So if you are clear in your 4 years of your course, now you are ready with your skills, right? Now you can go what you want, because you already acquired. You go to interview or you go there, you know that's your passion. You will excel if it is a passion. Okay, attendance is must. I want to see at least 150 students tomorrow. If you are not regular this week, right? If you do not have 90% attendance this week, next week I'm going to drop. So one person gets dropped, the whole team gets dropped. Okay, so one person gets dropped, the whole team gets dropped. So your responsibility to join as a team and join separately with your ID, so that our supporting team will take the attendance. And also the daily task Google form will be given to you every day. You try to fill up what you have done, and that will be a record for you for the certification. How you take the attendance? Because you already log in, so I have all the information, including the chat. And your participation also matters, right? And we are going to have a participation rooms we will create in the future. Once we have a team meetings, we will provide you with the information. Okay. Any questions?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want to become a good programming engineer, sir. What can we do, sir?
Where? What programming engineer? You have to be very specific. What program you want to? You want to make a programs for the cars, or you want to make the programs for smartphones or laptops?
Programming for smartphones, sir. Programming for smartphone.
Yes. Now this is what you need. So for the smartphones, you want to become a programming, right? Now,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you have a team with you who are working, who are interested in this area. So all your team members should be interested in this area. And now the next week you are going to make a project on this, a mini project. So before that, now today your target is, what are the role of a programming engineer for smart devices? What are the various programs you have to make? What kind of languages you use for the programming? How do you do the quality testing? How long it will take? What is the process of making a program? Why do you need a program? How do you do debugging? So all these things need to be studied. That is what the literature survey, I mean to say. It's a Darshi Chandra, right?
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear what I'm trying to tell you? It's
yes,
for
sir.
everyone.
Yes,
it's for
sir.
everyone, right? So these, yes.
Sir, like I want to interest in aviation, sir.
Before my request, tell your name and right, and ask the question.
Sir, Saptarsh, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Saptarsh.
Sir, like I want interest in aviation, sir. Can I do after this my BTech?
Aviation. So aviation is mostly 50% mechanical engineering. So what's your branch right now?
Sir, production engineering, CPIT.
Okay, okay, production engineering. Good. So you're in the right direction. Okay, you're in the right direction. Now, how many aerospace companies are there in India?
I don't know, sir. Actually.
This is what. So today now you say you start researching. So there is a Tata TAL in Hyderabad, right? There is a HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore. So now this is what your goal today is: find out what are the aerospace companies, what they do, and you want to become a production engineer in aerospace. How? You know?
So no, sir. I want to become like a pilot, but in after intermediate, I couldn't do this. That's what I joined BTech because of some personal issues that I couldn't become pilot. So after this BTech, can I do this?
Of course, you can join army as a pilot officer. I went for an interview as a pilot officer after my engineering. I did not get selected because you have to have a different qualities, personalities to be a pilot. Because pilots are right. You need to have different personalities. We are also going to talk about this in the third, fourth week. For example, you want to become something, but do you have those personal qualities? Right? So you have technical, you have process, and you have personality. If I have to become, for example, a police, for myself, I'm not qualified. I'm not, because I'm not the one who can take a lathi and beat the people. Impossible. So if I keep my goal as a IPS or a sub inspector, I go on fail. So the personality also matters. Can you please mute?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Can you please mute other than one person, please? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt. Is there any role of production engineering to manufacture a rocket? Anything making any rocket?
Of course.
What is there any role of production engineering to making a rocket?
50%. Most of the people work in NASA. They're all mechanical production, manufacturing engineers. Very important. How do you launch a rocket? This is all, the complete system is different. How do you build a rocket in zero gravity?
Okay, sir.
So this is what now you have to find. Go and find out, right? There is a lot of information available, right? Now it's not like my time when I was studying engineering. If I have to book, I have to go. I have to take a book. I have to go to a library, sit there, right? Borrow a book, sit somewhere and start writing copies, right? Take the Xerox. But now, no, it's everything. Let me tell you this, what's happening in academia. So I think you know, most of you, MIT, you know, MIT?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now MIT started a new degree without any name and no courses are taught. So they give you a certificate. The certificate is you have been certified as a design engineer for flying machines. That's it. And they don't teach you thermodynamics, they don't teach you calculus, no. You go to MIT with your passion that I want to design flying machines. Now they will mentor through projects. These are the projects you have to do to become a flying machine design engineer. The students, they have to do on their own what skills, knowledge you need to become a design engineer for flying machine. Now this is odd because most of the students now, they don't want to attend the university. That is the new problem, because everything is available here. That is the reason I'm not showing any stuff here, because everything is available. If you want to know what is thermodynamics principle to, right, how a rocket goes, what is the propulsion, everything is there. You can read yourself. But what you can't do is the experience of development. So this is where the projects are core. The projects are core. So everything should be a project-based competency, because You're going to industry and you're going to start working with the projects, not on the computer. You have to make the products work. You have to see the cell phone work. You have to see the mouse work. You have to see your car goes well. This is the role of engineer. So we'll have another session. What is the role of engineer? Okay, for the society, in societal engineering, we will discuss more about what's your responsibility. Okay.